What if I told you that right now, AI isn't just a tool to play around with? It's one of the biggest money-making opportunities of our lifetime. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle, launch a business, or replace your 9-to-5, AI has created doors that simply didn't exist even a few years ago. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can make money online using AI in 2025. I'll cover real-world methods, examples, tools, and step-by-step actions you can take immediately. No coding required. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the best strategy for beginners to start with zero upfront investment. Here's a crazy stat. According to PwC, AI could contribute over $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the current GDP of China and India combined. And the best part? You don't need to be an engineer at Google to get a piece of it. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are overflowing with opportunities. And AI can help you deliver professional results faster than ever. For example, copywriting. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Copy AI to write blogs, ads, or product descriptions. Businesses will pay anywhere from $50 to $500 per article. Graphic design is another area. Tools like Midjourney, DALL, E3, or Canva's AI features can help you create logos, social media graphics, or even book covers. Video editing is also being transformed. Platforms like Runway Gen 2 or Pictory can turn scripts into videos or help you generate B-roll automatically. And here's the kicker. You don't need to tell clients you're using AI. What they care about is results. So instead of spending 8 hours writing a blog, you can deliver one in 2 hours, polish it up, and move on to the next client. Freelancing plus AI is basically turning you into a one-person agency. Number 2, content creation. This one is huge. AI is revolutionizing the way people run YouTube channels, TikToks, and Instagram accounts. For example, script writing. ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas and draft scripts. Voiceovers can be done with tools like 11 Labs, which generate realistic voices in different accents and tones. Video generation is another game changer. With Runway or Synthesia, you can create entire videos without showing your face or recording yourself. This has given rise to what's called faceless YouTube automation. These are channels that publish content in niches like finance, travel, or health, without the creator ever being on camera. And some of these channels are pulling in thousands per month from ad revenue and sponsorships. Imagine uploading 3 AI-powered videos a week in just a few months. You could have a fully monetized channel generating passive income. Alright, the third way to make money is by selling digital products. And this is where AI really shines. You can use AI tools to create ebooks, written and formatted in a weekend. You can make printables like planners, templates, and checklists. People sell these on Etsy for $10 to $30 each. You can design courses or guides on niche topics with AI helping you structure lessons and create graphics. You can even generate stock photos or illustrations using Midjourney or Leonardo AI, and then upload them to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. The beauty of digital products is that they're infinitely scalable. You make it once, and it sells over and over. And AI cuts down the creation time dramatically. Instead of spending weeks writing a 100-page ebook, you can outline it in ChatGPT. Generate drafts chapter by chapter and then edit it to add your own voice. Boom, ready to sell on Amazon, Kindle, or Gumroad. Let's talk side hustles. These are small, flexible gigs you can start right away. You could offer AI-powered resumes and cover letters. Job seekers are everywhere, and many will pay $50 to $200 for a polished application package. You could try AI tutoring, where ChatGPT helps you explain homework problems, and you build a tutoring gig around it. Another option is AI-powered chatbots. Small businesses often can't afford custom solutions, but you can use no-code tools like ManyChat or Tidio to build simple AI chatbots and charge monthly retainers, or you could sell AI art commissions. People are paying for custom portraits, fantasy art, or book illustrations. You can use AI as your foundation, then refine with Photoshop or Canva. The best part? Most of these require zero upfront cost, just your time and creativity. Next is affiliate marketing, which is basically earning commissions by promoting other people's products. Here's where AI supercharges it. You can use ChatGPT to write product reviews and blog posts. You can use Midjourney or Canva AI to create catching Pinterest graphics. You can use tools like Jasper or Copy AI to generate high-converting ad copy. Let's say you promote a $100 software tool that pays 30% commission. Every sale earns you $30. The blog or YouTube channel, generating traffic 24/7, those commissions can add up quickly. Many creators are quietly building AI-driven affiliate empires, and the startup cost is close to zero. Okay, let's talk about e-commerce. AI is completely reshaping this space. Print on demand is one of the easiest entry points. You can use AI art generators to create t-shirt designs, mugs, or posters. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify handle the printing and shipping. You just collect royalties. AI can also write product descriptions for your online store, saving you time and optimizing them for search engines. And AI chatbots can handle customer support, answering fax and tracking orders. Some people are making thousands each month by running small AI-powered print and man stores. And remember, you don't need to touch inventory. It's all automated. Now, this one's a bit more advanced, but if you're willing to learn, the payoff is big. AI consulting. Businesses know AI is powerful, but most of them don't know how to use it. You can position yourself as the AI person who helps them implement tools. For example, you could help real estate agents generate property descriptions. You could help local restaurants create marketing campaigns. Or you could train teams on how to use ChatGPT effectively. You don't need to invent new tech. You just need to bridge the gap between AI tools and businesses that need them. And consultants can charge $100 to $300 per hour. Finally, if you're a bit more technical, you can build your own AI-powered tools. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coder anymore. Platforms like Bubble, Glide, or Zapier AI let you create apps without writing code. You could build a niche AI writing assistant. You could create an AI-powered quiz or productivity app. Or you could design a simple tool that scrapes data and summarizes it. Once built, you can monetize with subscriptions or sell lifetime access. Even small micro tools can generate steady monthly income if they solve a specific problem. Now, before you think AI is some magical ATM machine, let's get real. AI is a multiplier. It doesn't replace hard work, creativity, or business fundamentals. If your content is boring, AI won't magically make it go viral. If your product has no audience, AI won't suddenly sell it for you. The winners are people who learn how to use AI to amplify their output, save time, and stand out. If you're brand new and overwhelmed, here's what I recommend. Start with freelancing or digital products. They're beginner-friendly, require almost no upfront investment, and give you the fastest feedback loop. Pick one skill, like copywriting, design, or content creation, then use AI to enhance it. Once you've got some traction, you can scale into bigger opportunities like YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, or consulting. So there you have it. 8 powerful ways to make money online with AI in 2025. If you got value from this, smash that like button. It helps more than you think. And if you want me to dive deeper into one of these methods with a step-by-step tutorial, drop a comment below with the one you're most interested in. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm dropping new videos every week showing you how to use AI to earn more, work less, and build the lifestyle you want. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.